back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a wonderful salad of Jarjer. Jarjer, known in the UK as rocket, or I think in America you call it arugula. So we've got some chopped Jarjer here, some Feta cheese, sliced onions, a little bit of fresh mint, some pomegranate there, some pistachios, onion, and some cucumber. And we're going to just do this with a really simple oil and lemon dressing. Let's do it. So here we go, very simple. I've got on there some whole Jarjer, which you can see is just slightly bigger than conventional or European rocket. It's one kind of fatter leaves. Anyway, the chopped stuff we're going to put right in the center here. Same sort of taste, you know, nice and kind of peppery. Then we're going to add our tomatoes, just sprinkle them on. Little bit of cucumber. Sliced onion, I'm using a red onion. Then we're going to go for some Feta cheese. So I'm just going to break that on there. Fantastic. Let me just wipe my hands 1 second. Then we're going to go with our pomegranate. Lovely flavour in there. Some pistachio. Or you could do some almonds or walnuts maybe. Some fresh mint. And again, I'm using mint, but if you wanted, why not use some cilantro or coriander. Nice big leaves. Just going to hit this with a little bit of olive oil. And then I've got some lemon or lime juice, up to you, what you want to use. And that's it, we're pretty much done. All we need to do now is add a little bit of salt just on there. A little bit of black pepper. And this is done. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.